Hi kids, welcome back to my channel. These days, as online classes are going on and you all are having your exams through online, for which you have to send back your answer sheets to your teacher after writing your exams. And I have noticed that you all have become very competent in using your mobile, computer or laptop. But to my utter surprise, I have found that many of the students are not able to send their answer sheets when they are asked to send it through PDF. So, in today's video, let's learn how to convert the images to PDF. The app which I am using here is JPEG to PDF converter. The link is given in the description box. You can check it out there and download the app from there. It's a very easy to convert the JPEG images to PDF through this app. So let's start the video, my dear kids. First, you need to open the app. For making a PDF, you need to click on the Files option. There are many other options present there, such as you can change the page orientation. It can be in portrait or in landscape manner. But as you have to write your answers on long, large sheets, I prefer to keep it in the portrait form. And yes, don't forget to crop your images before converting it, or else your teacher will be only looking into your bed sheets and not the answer sheet. Okay, now my dear kids, now let's choose our images that needs to be converted. After clicking on the Files option, you will be able to see your recent images. There is an option on your bottom left. If you click there, you will get all the folders such as screenshots, downloads or WhatsApp images. You can even take a photo through this app. But here, I'm not taking a photo. I will choose 4 recent images. After choosing the images, click on the green colored Done option which is at the top right. After it is done, now click on the Convert to PDF button and your PDF is ready. Now suppose you want to open your file or rename your file or share it to your teacher. For this, you need to go to the 3 dots present on the top right of your phone and choose on the first option, that is the output files. Here you will be able to see all your PDFs which you have converted through this app. So now I will click on the first file which we have just converted, or will simply click on it. It will show various options such as open file, share or rename file. I will click on the rename option. Now one thing you should keep in mind, that you have to keep the extension .pdf. We will rename it as 20 sample paper. Remember, when you are sending it to your teacher, rename it as 20, which is your roll number, and then your name, which I have written here as sample paper. Now you can send it to your teacher or the concerned person to whom you want to send your PDF. Children, I hope the video was helpful to you in knowing the best way to convert your JPEG images into PDF. If you like the video, do hit a like, share it to your friends and subscribe my channel for further updates. Thanks for watching and keep learning.